हाँ जी बेटे। नेक्स्ट है 4.2 सब टॉपिक लुकिंग फॉर लग्जरीज लाइंग ऑन पेज नंबर 9। Another strategy to identify social differences to study artifacts. Artifacts. You will ask what is the meaning of artifacts? कलात्मक चीजें, those things which are made with hands. Uh, like you people doing the art and craft, you know many things. You can make flowers by using paper. You can make pots by using a cardboard. You make many things by using waste material. Like sometimes I have seen waste bottle is used by a student to make a decorative fish, a very beautiful fish. So these things are known as artifacts. Same things were made in Harappan civilization by those people. They are called as artifacts, which archaeologists broadly classify as utilization and luxuries. Utilization means upyogi, those things which are very useful, and luxuries for comfort to make our life very comfortable, easy. They are known as luxuries. Like car is luxury for we people, and pan to make chapati is utilizations. तवे पे रोटी बनाने के लिए वो यूटिलाइजेशन है एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट कार इज अ लग्जरी. Okay, my pen having a very utility for me, very useful for me. My pen is very useful for me because with the help of pen and my book I can teach you. But if I have AC in my room, that is luxury. Without AC I can teach you, but without pen and book I am not able to use. So I think both the terms are clear. The first category includes objects of daily use made fairly easily out of ordinary materials such as stone or clay. I have already described that. This thing, utilization, that is a group of those objects which we use in our daily life, and they are made easily of ordinary material. Means it doesn't need any specific material. Means these things which are we using daily, they are made of stone or a clay. Mean these things mean I am talking about Harappan civilization. Like pots, they used daily, so they are made of clay. And corns mean chakki to grind the cereals. That is made of stone. चक्की जो उनकी पत्थर की बनी होती थी easy तरीके से. So they are made of stone and clay and ordinary material. These include corns. I have already described pottery, needles. Needle means that is used to stitch the clothes. फ्लैश रबर्स जिसको हम चामा कहते हैं, बॉडी स्क्रबर्स, and are usually found distributed throughout the settlements. And these things are related to daily use, so they are found everywhere. We have more than 1052 sites, and corns means chakki, poetry, and needles and flesh rubbers. They are found everywhere. Mean these things belong to all the sites. But those things which are related to luxury, they are found in some sites, in big sites like Mehanchado and Harappan, but not found everywhere. Means they are rare. Luxury lives are rare. Luxury goods are rare because to make the luxury goods, we need a special material. We need special techniques. So it's not easy to make luxury thing. That's why they are not found everywhere. That's why they are very rare. Archaeologists assumed objects were luxury. Assume objects were luxury if they are rare or made from costly material. Already described mean those things which are made of rare material or which are rare, which are not found everywhere, which are very costly, which are not found locally. means not made with the help of local material, means they are made with the help of non-local materials or with the complicated techniques. They are termed as luxury goods, they are termed as rare goods. Thus, little pots of finance, a material made of ground sand or silica mixed with color and a gum and then fired, were probably considered a precious because they were difficult to make. I'm going to show you a picture of a pot that is made with a complicated way with the help of a special silica material that is termed as a luxury good. But you are watching, this is a luxury good. It is found, not found everywhere. It is made of silica. ये सिलिका जो मटेरियल है, स्पेशल मटेरियल है, उससे बना हुआ है एंड इट हैज स्पेशल डिजाइन. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक इट, सो इट इज नॉट फाउंड एवरीवेयर. It is termed as a luxury good. The situation becomes more complicated when we find what seems to be articles of daily use. Let me show you where I'm going to teach you on page number 10. हाँ जी बेटे, ये हो गया कि it is those goods which are very costly and they are made of non-local materials or with complicated techniques. These are termed luxury goods. Thus, little pots of finance, which picture I have shown you, material made of ground sand or silica mixed with the colors and a gum. इसके अंदर ये सभी चीजें mixed की जाती है. Then fired. Then it means it is put in fire or to become hard. Were probably considered precious because they were difficult to make. The situation becomes more complicated when we find what seems to be artifact of daily use, such as spindle. Spindle means takli, takla. Spindle was made of rare materials such as finance. Means at that time these people were not known about iron implements. वो iron implement के बारे में नहीं जानते थे. Just they known about the metal that was copper. वो copper के बारे में ही जानते थे. And other material, other metals or you can say minerals were mixed with one another to make a strong metal. So, spindle wheels were made again with the help of silica and other goods like gum, and this way it is known as a rare material, such as finance. Uh, Finances. Do we classify these as a utilitarian or luxuries? Spindle wheels, I think, a utilitarian material because it is used to spin the cotton. Harappan people are the first to grow cotton. हड़प्पन people जो पहले व्यक्ति हुए हैं जिन्होंने कॉटन को ग्रो किया है. And Greeks termed cotton as sindum. Sindum, it is derived from Sindh. Sindh is the name of a river where this civilization flourished. So, if we study the distribution of such artifacts, we find that rare objects made of valuable materials are generally concentrated. मीन देर केंद्रित हैं जी खास जगह पर, हर जगह नहीं मिलेंगे जी हमें, कुछ ही जगह के ऊपर मिलते हैं. द रीजन बी बिकॉज दे आर मेड ऑफ रेयर मटीरियल. ये देखो, दे आर रेयर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, they are made of valuable materials, are generally concentrated in large settlements. Large settlements like we have Mohenjo-daro, we have Harappa, we have Mohenjo-daro, and are rarely found in the smaller settlements. Small settlements like Kaliyabanga, that is small settlements. For example, miniature pots of finance, perhaps used as perfume bottles, are found mostly in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Means the pot which I have shown you, it is used as perfume bottle, and it is found in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, not in other settlements. And there are none from small settlements like Kaliyabanga. Already described that it is not found in Kaliyabanga. Gold too was rare. Gold is a luxury good, you know, it's a luxury material. It is also not found everywhere. It is also rare and it is found only in Harappa as well as Mohenjo-daro. And you know, it is used to make jewelry, ornaments, and as at present, probably precious. Precious means costly. All the gold jewelry found at Harappan sites was recovered from hoards. Now you will ask what's the meaning of hoards. I'm going to tell you in the next video. Thank you.